Shat Dhaut Ghrita Ghee washing. Shat Dhaut Ghrita is a type of medicated ghee used in Ayurvedic medicine. A machine for washing ghee, specifically for Shat Dhaut Ghrita, would likely be designed for purifying and processing ghee according to Ayurvedic principles. This machine is dedicated for Ayurveda applications and provides the best results in purification of medicated herbs. The machine is designed to wash and purify ghee multiple times to remove impurities. The machine is fully automated and controlled by a control panel. The machine enables efficient purification of ghee, ensuring high quality output. This particular machine includes an advanced control unit with all parameters and advanced technology.